Hello, loved ones. I'm back with another riff. I just want to talk to someone about this because sometimes I just bust a gut. You know how it is when you know something and you know the answer to something, but everyone else that they either don't want to listen or they don't believe it because the answer is too simple and easy. That. Okay, so just talking about, all the things that are happening in the world. This channel isn't about any of that because we are in the world, but we're not of it over here. Okay, we are in the upper room and we're looking to see how can we be of service and bring light to the situation, right? So, what I am paying attention to is so many people are choosing not to flow, with who they are. Everyone, you know how you look at the people in the world who are fabulous, the people on the big stages, the big screens, and they're so fabulous, and only they can do it. It's only for them. And I'm noticing that a lot of people, not just recently, but most of my life, a lot of people have felt like that fabulousness is only for a certain few. When the truth is, the fabulousness is for us all. Because we are all like the same. We're individual, but we're one, but we are the same, but we are different, okay? Because we're puzzle pieces. And all the pieces to a puzzle, they all are different. Even the ones that look similar, no two are the same. Like snowflakes. No two are the same. I've never seen two. Can you imagine? It's it's a beautiful thing. Anyway, it just seems to me that so many people are okay with thinking that they were not chosen. Everyone was chosen for something. And without the one, there can't be the whole. Okay? So if one is missing, or if you're not showing up, you're not there, we need you. Like, we all need each other. We're all part of this big tapestry, and when one thing is off or one musical note is not there, the entire symphony is it doesn't happen. It's off. It's wrong. And that's what we are. We're all puzzle pieces. We are individual snowflakes. We're blueprints, individual blueprints. We're nuanced. We are all of these different things, but together we are one. And we have a tendency to compare. So how is one puzzle piece going to compare itself to another one that's supposed to you're a corner puzzle piece. The corner puzzle piece is uniquely qualified to be the corner puzzle piece. And then the one in the middle, the ones in the middle, they're uniquely qualified to be the one in the middle in the position that they are in for that puzzle. You can't take that piece and put it anywhere else in that puzzle and think it's going to fit in. They're not going to compare themselves. I mean, I know they're not talking to each other like that, but you know what I'm saying? Like, think about it. Are you going to compare one puzzle piece to another and they're all part of the same puzzle? No. And if one puzzle piece is missing and you put that whole puzzle together and one piece is missing, it didn't come in the box. It fell out the box before the manufacturer packaged it up. You're going to be salty. It's not the same. It's not the same. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Too often we compare ourselves to other people thinking that whatever is special about us is not all that. It's not all that special. The truth is each of us were gifted with at least one, and it's more than one, it's multiple, but for the sake of this, and for the people who don't believe, at least one gift, skill, whatever it is, one unique ability that is nuanced just from our own hand. So for example, if I'm really good with colors and I'm really good with painting, I may be a really great watercolorist. You might be a watercolorist as well, but your technique with the watercolor will be different from mine. You may have a different way of mixing color. I might look at it and say, well, when the sun beams down on things, there are multiple colors in it. So in the on there are multiple colors in the thing that the sun is shining on, is what I'm saying. And what I will do is include those colors in the one thing. So if it's a leaf, you might see flecks of red, flecks of yellow, flecks of orange, flecks of blue, like that. Whereas you might have this really unique and fascinating way on how to mix this particular green to make it really pop on the canvas. And that's what I'm talking about. Everything is nuanced and unique. And if everyone just leaned into the thing that is calling them right now, the thing of beauty that is calling on them, pulling at them energetically to come to be a part of, to create whatever it is in the most beautiful, pristine, opulent way, I must say. If everybody did that, can you imagine the guards just coming down, the chaos dissipating, the love elevating, the Christ consciousness evolving even more throughout the collective? And I say Christ consciousness, I mean the love, the oneness, the community, the healing, the togetherness of it all, the sister and brotherhood, the family, the joy, the abundance of all that's great. Imagine the resources that come through all of that, where we will no longer have to borrow and beg and steal or work for things, basic necessities. The day is coming. The day is coming. In fact, it's sooner than you think. It's among us. Look at what's going on with the world right now. Things that in my life, never, unheard of. Unheard of. Okay? And all of the things in the areas and the systems that are being touched. If that's not a call to action for the beings of light, you and me, to wake up, to show up, to light up, I don't know what is. Are you a healer? Are you a person who likes to plant vegetables and tend and homestead, tend the land? Are you a healer of people, places, things? Are you someone who communicates with other beings of light who are here to help us, our brothers and sisters? Are you that? Lean into it. Are you an artist, a musician? Are you a beauty person, a person into beauty, sacred beauty? There is a such thing. No one, and that's another thing, nobody can tell you what is valuable and what isn't. It is all valuable. You're bringing light and beauty to the planet, is elevating us all. It is helping the planet and the world evolve into higher elevation. All right, that's enough. My mouth is getting dry. Until the next video, live simply and be kind.